How you going guys, Mark here from DNA Paints. On this video, I'll be taking our old fire hydrant out the front, stripping it back to bare steel and painting it in Spilt blood Candy Basecoat, all in aerosol cans. Every single step of the way through the whole process will be done with aerosols. So if you want to tidy up something at home that is looking a little bit worse for wear, like our fire hydrant, you can do so quite easily, all with aerosol cans. I'll start by grinding off the old house paint with Roloc Discs from the PTW website, as the house paint will actually react with the solvent-based paint from our aerosols. It's now time to apply our Etch Primer, which I'll spray 2 thin coats with 10 minutes between coats to etch the surface for the 2K primer, which comes next. I'll now apply 4 wet coats, allowing 10 minutes between coats. After the 4 coats have been applied, I'll wait 30 minutes before I start sanding. I'll now use our DNA Paints Prepsol to clean the surface before applying the pure black in our aerosols. I'll apply the pure black to the surface in light coats to help with adhesion until full coverage has been achieved. Now I'll apply 4 coats of Spilt blood as evenly as possible with 5 to 10 minutes between coats and 10 minutes before clear coat. The clear coat I'll be using is Normfest 2K clear coat, also available on our website from the aerosol clear coat list. I'll be applying 2 wet coats with 5 to 10 minutes between coats. Each and every single product that I've used in this video is all linked in the description below. Follow us on social media. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.